In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide a project on Behance without deleting it. This is really useful if you want to keep a project private for your own viewing or share it with a select group of people. Whether you're working on updates and want to keep things under wraps, or you simply want to control who sees your work, I'll guide you step by step on how to manage your Behance project visibility easily. First, make sure you're logged into your Behance account. It all starts from here, because without access to your account, you won't be able to make any changes to your projects. So, head over to Behance on your preferred web browser and enter your credentials to log in. Once you're on your profile, find the project that you'd like to adjust the visibility for. Click on that project to open it. It should load up all the details related to that specific piece of work. Now, you'll need to enter the editing mode. Look up to the top right of your project screen and locate the Edit button. By clicking this button, you gain access to a variety of settings and editing options that aren't otherwise available. After you've clicked Edit, your next destination is right over to the Project Settings. You'll find this on the right-hand side of the screen. It's an area dedicated to the finer details of how your project is presented to the audience. Here is where you make significant decisions about the visibility of your work. Now, under the Visibility section, you have a few options to consider. If you want complete privacy, choose Private. This setting ensures that only you, the project creator, can see it. It's perfect for drafts or projects still in progress. Alternatively, if you want to share your project with a limited audience, Invite Only might be the best choice. This option allows you to generate a private link that you can share with trusted friends or collaborators. Only people with that link will be able to view your project, keeping your work secure and exclusive. Once you've made your choice, it's time to save your changes. Look for the Save button and give it a click. This action locks in your new visibility settings and ensures that your project is only viewable by the audience you intended. Taking control of your project's visibility helps you manage your professional portfolio with ease and confidence. It also allows your creative journey to remain as public or as private as you'd like. That wraps up our guide on how to hide a project on Behance. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips and creative guides.